Title: Harnessing the Power of Food, 7 Fascinating Food Facts to Nourish Your Body and Mind. Introduction. Food is not just fuel for our bodies, it's a source of healing, vitality, and well-being. Every bite we take has the potential to nourish not only our physical health, but also our mental and emotional well-being. In this blog, we'll explore 7 intriguing food facts that can help heal your body and mind, empowering you to make informed choices about what you eat and how it impacts your overall health. 1. The gut-brain connection. One of the most fascinating discoveries in recent years is the intricate connection between the gut and the brain. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, houses millions of neurons that communicate with the brain through the vagus nerve. This bidirectional communication system plays a crucial role in regulating mood, emotions, and cognitive function. How does food come into play? The food we eat directly influences the composition of our gut microbiota, the diverse community of microorganisms living in our digestive tract. Certain foods, such as fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir, contain beneficial probiotics that support a healthy gut microbiome. By nourishing your gut with these foods, you're not only improving digestion, but also promoting mental well-being. 2. The anti-inflammatory powerhouses. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune conditions. Fortunately, certain foods possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation and promote overall health. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether in curries, soups, or smoothies, can help reduce inflammation and support joint health. Similarly, omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Adding these fish to your diet a few times a week can have profound benefits for both your physical and mental health. 3. The mood-boosting foods. Ever experienced a mood lift after indulging in a piece of dark chocolate? You're not imagining things. Dark chocolate contains compounds that stimulate the production of endorphins, the feel-good hormones in your brain. Additionally, it contains flavonoids, which have been linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Another mood-boosting food is spinach, which is rich in folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in neurotransmitter synthesis. Low levels of folate have been associated with depression and other mood disorders, so incorporating folate-rich foods like spinach into your diet can help support emotional well-being. 4. The brain-boosting nutrients. Just as our bodies require nourishment, so does our brain. Certain nutrients are particularly important for cognitive function and mental clarity. One such nutrient is choline, found in foods like eggs, liver, and soybeans. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. Including choline-rich foods in your diet can enhance cognitive function and support brain health. Another essential nutrient for brain health is magnesium, which plays a role in neurotransmitter regulation and stress management. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. By ensuring an adequate intake of magnesium, you can promote relaxation and mental well-being. 5. The importance of mindful eating. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the habit of mindless eating, consuming food without paying attention to hunger cues or the sensory experience of eating. However, practicing mindful eating can have profound effects on both our physical and mental health. Mindful eating involves tuning into your body's hunger and satiety signals, savoring each bite, and being fully present during meals. By slowing down and paying attention to what you're eating, you're better able to enjoy your food, improve digestion, and make healthier choices. 6. The healing power of herbal teas. While we often focus on solid foods, herbal teas are another powerful way to support health and well-being. Herbal teas, made from a variety of plants and herbs, can provide a range of therapeutic benefits, from soothing digestion to promoting relaxation. Peppermint tea, for example, is known for its ability to relieve digestive discomfort and reduce bloating. Chamomile tea has calming properties that can help reduce stress and promote better sleep. Experimenting with different herbal teas can help you find ones that resonate with your body and mind, providing a comforting ritual that nourishes both. 7. The impact of food on sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, yet many of us struggle to get enough restful sleep each night. Interestingly, the foods we eat can significantly impact our sleep quality. Certain foods contain compounds that either promote or inhibit sleep. For example, foods rich in tryptophan, such as turkey, chicken, nuts, and seeds, can help increase the production of serotonin and melatonin, neurotransmitters involved in sleep regulation. On the other hand, caffeinated beverages and spicy foods can interfere with sleep by stimulating the nervous system and causing digestive discomfort. By being mindful of the foods you consume, particularly in the hours leading up to bedtime, you can optimize your sleep environment and promote better restorative sleep. Conclusion. Food is much more than mere sustenance. It's a powerful tool for healing and nourishing our bodies and minds. By embracing these 7 food facts and incorporating them into your daily life, you can take proactive steps towards better health and well-being. Whether it's supporting gut health with probiotic-rich foods, boosting mood with dark chocolate and leafy greens, or promoting relaxation with herbal teas, the choices you make in the kitchen can have profound effects on every aspect of your life. So why wait? Start harnessing the power of food today and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you.